Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sarah here and I'm here to help you create the life you love. So in today's video, I'm currently in Zimbabwe. I'm currently staying at the Island Lodge in Harare. So this is my very first stop. Okay, I drove from Windhoek by bus to Harare, which was a long trip, but I'm gonna tell you about it in a sec. But I hope you enjoy the video and come along with me as we explore Zimbabwe and what it has for us in store. Come along and enjoy. Hey guys, so I haven't been updating you. So now we are leaving for Big Falls from Harare. Like we're taking a bus. It's like $13 a bus from here to Harare. So I'll keep you posted on the way. So we are leaving around 5:30 p.m. So let's see what time we'll get there. Welcome back to my channel. So today's the next day. We're in Victoria Falls now and we're gonna go for the helicopter ride. So we are on our way now to the whatever it is to get the helicopter. This is Victoria Falls. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Victoria Falls is located on the Zambezi River, the 4th largest river in Africa, which also defines the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls is the only waterfall in the world with a length of more than a kilometer and a height of more than 100 meters. It is also considered to be the largest fall in the world. According to British explorer David Livingstone, the Victoria Falls was such an incredible sight that even passing angels would have been awestruck and amazed by their outstanding beauty. Victoria Falls is also known as the Rainbow That Falls, as there is an ever-constant rainbow. It's also known as the Smoke That Thunders. The best time to visit the falls is between February and March. I came here in August, which is not peak water level season. Water is at its highest between April and July. From August to November is the dry season. Hi guys, so I could not vlog yesterday. Like, this is my very first sit down because I did not get any time to do any sit down. So yesterday I could not really vlog because it was quite busy. I went to wash my hair and blow it because this hair was not giving a funny story. So I booked to do my hair on, what day was it? Saturday 3 and I had to leave at 1, and I had already paid and I could not change and do it with somebody else because I was not really sure whether I'll be coming this weekend, and that's what happened. And yeah, here I am, and I could not not go because of his time, you know. Yeah, so other than that, after that I basically just went to eat, and then from there we took the bus from Harare to Big Falls, so which was a very long journey. We got here like around 6 or 7 a.m. No, 6 a.m. in the morning. So since then we came, booked in and all, had breakfast, and I haven't slept, guys. That's another story. But other than that, we went for the helicopter ride, which was fun. Like, you'll see the videos and all. It was really beautiful. It was such an amazing experience, and I'm so grateful that I was able to partake in it. You all should try it out. It's great. It's something you need to try at least once in your life. And now we are going to be going to Big Falls, like just take a walk at the actual falls, and I'll take you guys along and you guys will see how it goes. I hope you enjoy. Please do like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. Thank you. So now we are here at Victoria Falls, guys. So we're here, so let's enter and show you how it looks in here. Apparently it closes at 6 p.m. so let's see. In order for you to enter to the Big Falls, you need to have your passports or identification. Yeah, so I did not have that, so just remember to have that. So the thing with bringing your identification is, if you bring your identification, you can pay a lesser price compared to the standard international price. So if you are Zimbabwean, you pay $7, as you can see in the picture. And if you are a Southern African, like if you're part of the SADC regions, you pay the $20. And anything other than that, you are international, so you pay $30. So we have started on the walk, the struggle walk. It doesn't even look that nice, guys, yet. So this is just how it looks so far. Nothing happening. Okay.
Looks like there are wild animals here.
Like that can attack us.
Yeah, but they say we shouldn't feed wild animals.
Huh? So let's see, like you can start feeling the situations now, the wet vibes. Are we going down here? Let's see. Oh wow. This is the Rainbow Falls, as this rainbow never leaves. It's a constant rainbow at the falls. Guys, look at how beautiful this rain, whatever is. And it's like the smoke is covering, so you can't really see the other parts of it. But just how beautiful this is. So this is somebody. Let me just stand right so you guys can see. Oh, it's Livingstone. Oh. but not really that impressive the way I thought. But the thing is too beautiful and all in. But I expected more, I guess. But I love it here. So let's go to another angle and observe God's beauty. So on the helicopter ride, you guys saw it from above, and now you're seeing it from land. I forgot the other word for the thing, but yeah, this is how it looks. This is the famous Victoria Falls everybody talks about. So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. So this is like the final part where I'm about to leave, and it was fun.